President-elect Ivan Duque has announced various modifications to the peace agreement which his party is already promoting in Congress. To what extent could those changes put the peace agreement at risk?
Thank you for your question. It's a pleasure to be with you. Answer to your question, I would like to highlight the changes that have been already adopted by the Congress after being promoted by Centro Democrático. These two modifications are related to the procedural law of the special jurisdiction for peace, namely the extradition of the ex-FARC members who have committed crimes after the signature of peace agreement, and the suspension of processes against military members until a special chamber is created in the special jurisdiction for peace. However, Juan Manuel Santos mentioned that these changes come with a constitutional doubt. Now we have to remember that we have different ways which have given some sort of protection to what has been established by the peace agreement. One of them is the legal shielding granted by the Constitutional Court in 2017. This judgment established that the Legislative Act 02 of 2017, which provides the stability and legal security to the final agreement, is in accordance with the Colombian Constitution, so that represents that this act adheres an article in the political constitution granting the final agreement a mandatory character as a parameter of interpretation, reference of development, and validity of all regulations that intend to be developed. In other words, each governmental institution has to be or comply with the content and purpose of such agreement.